How to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily do that. Simply first open up your WhatsApp. Now this method is available on both iOS and Android. So what you're going to have to do is go ahead and open your settings first. So this one is related to your phone settings. You basically want to go to notification settings and then advanced settings. Then you just go to notification history. And here you'll be able to find all of your notifications. Just make sure that you've turned on your notification history. So what happens is whenever you get a message, it will be stored in your notification history. But for that, you need to make sure that your WhatsApp's notification is turned on as well. Make sure that the notification is allowed. And once you do that, even if someone deletes a message, you should be able to find it on the notification history option. So this is the first thing you can do. The other thing you can do is back up your chats. Tap on the three dots at the top right, then go to settings. Now go to chats, and here you'll find chat backup. Make sure you have a Google account selected to back up your chats on your Google Drive. And on the automatic backups, I suggest you set it daily because it's going to daily back up all of your chats. But in case you are not sure, you can just tap on the backup button and it's going to automatically back up all of your current chats. So even if someone deletes any kind of message, you should be able to recover it from your backup. So just go ahead and uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, and when you enter your phone number and try to log in, it will ask you to back up your chats, and you should be able to do that. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.